Hey guys, Jason from First 15 here, coming at you with another exercise today, doing the dumbbell bench press, okay? Just a good upper body developer. You will use it a lot for hypertrophy. I also like it too because your shoulders aren't restricted, for example, by a bar or a machine, okay? So the dumbbells tend to let you move in a slightly different way. A couple of little things that we want to think about when we want to do this is how we get the dumbbells up onto our legs to make sure that we're in a good position, and also how we put the dumbbells down, and I'm going to run through that at the end. Okay, so I'm going to set this up so that my dumbbells are sitting either side. If they're a light dumbbell, I may be able to swing them up, but if they're heavy and I'm starting to develop a lot more strength, I'll probably squat them up or get someone to hand them to me. Okay, so I want to be in a strong position so that I can sit up, lay myself down, and bring the dumbbells back into position. Okay, I'm going to press from the low position up, and you can see that when I press, it's just a little bit of a corkscrew movement. So as I come down, I'll tend to rotate the dumbbells a little bit into a neutral position, and then press back up. I'm pressing as I go up, pretty much above my eyes, maybe a little bit about the chin, okay? And the depth, and this is something I got from Tom at Phoenix Performance, is that when you come down, your elbow depth will be about in line with the bottom of the bench, okay? I'm pretty sure I got that right. So in terms of when he said that, so you drop it down just in line with that, and that gives you a good depth marker, and then to push it back up. Okay, now, one thing I see a lot of young guys do is that they'll do their benches, they'll finish, and then they'll put the dumbbell down like this onto the ground. That's a big no-no for me because of the way that it can stretch across the shoulder joint and actually put a heck of a lot of tension on the long tendon of the bicep. I'm telling you this because I've done this before when I was young and I ended up injuring my shoulder. So what I will do is that instead of putting them onto the ground, I'll finish my movement, tilt them onto their end, and sit up. Or better yet, training with a partner, I'll get the partner to take them off me, okay, which is a much safer way. So just remember that when you're putting down those dumbbells, do it safely to protect the shoulders. In terms of our depth, we're using the bottom of the bench as a signal for where our elbow will go in terms of how low we go. Okay, and then when we're finishing at the top, we're finishing pretty much above the eyes, maybe slightly just more in terms of the chin when we do our bench. Okay, enjoy. Great one for building the muscle in the upper body. Take care.